How you doing? I might have a second choice. It says USDA stuff. Three cheese steak number. I guess I'll just try it number 7. 3 Sprites. You're welcome. Can I get a number 7, please?
That's not regular or large?
Regular.
Did you want the grilled onions, mushrooms, and green peppers on that?
Sure.
Mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, pickles?
Sure.
Combo?
Sure.
And what would you like to drink with that?
Do you have any like juice or anything, or like high C fruit punch? High C. Yes, ma'am.
$12.50.
Y'all want some coffee up there? Let's go. Thank you. So this, what is this? Sapporo Japan Grill or whatever. They'll deny your service. Well, you can walk right over here or here and they won't deny your service, but them clowns over there will. Thank you very much. I don't need a straw. So y'all see that, and how that doesn't make any sense, how you can go from right here and they won't serve you, and then you can go right here and they will. That's how much of a law it is and how deadly it is. And you can walk 2 spaces over and order somewhere, but you can't order a space that's two places down from that. It's ridiculous. And these is people who are from another country, I would think. I'm just guessing. But all of my subscribers who are from other countries, trust me, you don't want to move here. If it's about your rights and people telling you what to do, you don't want to come to America. This is the last place you want to come to. That's all they want to do today, is tell you what to do and not see America. You don't have freedom of choice no more, and you don't have freedom of speech. YouTube, Facebook, censor, all them niggas censor your ass. But to let somebody cry about a fake news story though, all day long. You gotta keep everybody safe, and no matter if you're violating somebody's rights, make sure you keep people safe. I even asked them, what if the person has a medical condition? They just shook their head no. So if somebody has a medical condition, you're not going to serve them because they're physically unable to mask themselves. That's their policy. I'm about to go mess with DB and them when they come back too.